Hello students, welcome to the subject of complex variable and partial differential equations. Myself Dr. Ankit Acharya, and as you all know that from last two lectures we discussed about Lorentz series and we solved so many examples of Lorentz series. In today's lecture also we solve some of the important example and quite tricky example of Lorentz series because of this topic is very much important exam point of view. At least one example asked every time in GTU question paper and approximately from 5 to 7 marks. So let's see how we can solve this type of tricky example. So in today's lecture, this is my first example. Find the series of f of z that is equal to z upon z minus 1 into z minus 4 in terms of z plus 3 valid for the region. The region is already given that mod z plus 3 less than 4. Now, why this region given? Try to understand very carefully. I want to express Lorentz series in terms of z plus 3. That means what is my center? Center is minus 3. Okay, z0 that is minus 3 because we compare z plus 3 with z minus z0. Okay, so that's why what is my z0? Z0 is equal to minus 3. So suppose try to understand first of all why they give us this region minus 3 somewhere here, right? Suppose this is my minus 1, this is minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 3 is a center and clearly this function is analytic everywhere except there are 2 points 1 and 4. Okay, because at point 1 and 4 denominator become 0. So 1 and this is 2, 3 and 4. So at this 2 point, your function is not analytic and center point is minus 3. So clearly you can take radius maximum up to 1. So from distance from minus 3 to 1, that is 4. So that's why mod z plus 3 less than 4. This is my circle, the inside portion of this circle. So that means you can also say that series is a Taylor series, right? So I hope you can understand. So this is my circle approximately, okay, right? And center is minus 3 and this circle passing from 1 and left hand side passing from minus 7. Okay. Now first of all we have to convert this function into addition form. So that's why a upon z minus 1 this equal to I can write a upon z minus 1 plus b upon z minus 4. So what is the value of a and b? You can easily find out. To find out the value of a, just you have to take 1 here. So on numerator we have 1, denominator we have 1 minus 4. So on denominator we have minus 3 and here 1. So minus 1 by 3 and the value of b that is 4 upon 4 minus 1. Okay. So 4 by 3, right? So that's why this f of z I can write minus 1 by 3 1 upon z minus 1 plus 4 by 3 1 upon z minus 4. Okay. Now I want to express this function in the form of z plus 3. Okay. So I can write f of z, I write once again f of z that is equal to minus 1 by 3 1 upon z minus 1 plus 4 by 3 1 upon z minus 4, and because of I want to express this function in the terms of z plus 3, so that's why minus 1 by 3 1 upon z plus 3 minus 4 plus 4 by 3 1 upon z plus 3. Can I write z plus 3 minus 7? Clear? And because of mod z plus 3 less than 4, so that's why I can write mod z plus 3 by 4 less than 1. Okay, mod z plus 3 by 4 less than 1, and that's this term I can use in my series. So that's why 4 I can write 4 outside the bracket. So this is minus 1 by 12 3 into 4. This is z plus 3 by 4 minus 1, but I write here 1 minus z plus 3 by 4, and instead of minus I can write plus Similarly, now I can write plus 4 by 3 into 7. Okay, I want to write 7 outside the bracket. So 3 into 7, 21, and here 1 upon z plus 3 by 7 minus 1. But I write here 1 minus z plus 3 by 7. Okay, so this is 4 into 21, 4 by 21, and I write here now minus. Okay, so finally 1 by 12, 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus z plus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 21, 1 upon 1 minus z plus 3 by 7. Now mod z plus 3 by 4 less than 1. So can I write mod z plus 3 by 7, that is less than 4 by 7, because of mod z plus 3 less than 4. So both the side I multiply with 1 by 7. So can I write mod z plus 3 by 7 less than 4 by 7? And we know that 4 by 7 less than 1. So now I want to use mod z plus 3 by 4 less than 1 and mod z plus 3 by 7 less than 1 here. Okay, so using, I can write 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Okay, and here try to understand that mod z plus 3 by 4, modulus value of z plus 3 by 4 less than 7. So I can write 1 plus z plus 3 by 4 plus z plus 3 by 4 whole square, and so on. And here I can write minus 4 by 21 minus 4 by 21, 1 plus z plus 3 by 7 plus z plus 3 by 7 whole square, and so on. Okay, so this is my final answer, and after this term you have to simplify. So the final answer you can write this 1 by 12 minus 4 by 21. So that can be written as minus 3 by 28 minus 5 by 784 z plus 3 and so on. Okay, so you have to simplify this term also. Now the next example, find the Laurent series expansion f of z, 7z minus 2 upon z plus 1 into z minus 2 valid in the region. Region is already given, that 1 less than mod z plus 1 less than 3. That means from this region you can easily understand that you have to express the Laurent series in the form of z plus 1. That means what is your center? Center point is minus 1. So minus 1 somewhere here, right, approximately this is my minus 1 point, and clearly the given function is not analytic at point minus 1, 0 and 2. Okay, so minus 1, 0 and 2. At this 3 point the function is not analytic. I am taking a circle with the radius 1 approximately. So this is a circle, and after that with the radius 3. So the second circle, right? And 1 less than mod z plus 1 less than 3, that means the annular region between these two circles. Okay, and in annular region clearly you can understand that the given function is analytic. So that's why we can express Laurent series. Okay, so this is just a rough work to understand the concept. Now first of all I want to write in addition form. So a upon z plus 1 plus b upon z and plus c upon z minus 2. So first of all, to find out the value of a, you have to take z is equal to minus 1, right? So 7 into minus 1, that is minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. So on numerator we have minus 9. Denominator minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so 3. So a is equal to minus 3, right? And now to find out the value of b is equal to 7 into 0, right? So that is 0 minus 2. So minus 2. In denominator we have 0 plus 1. So 1, and here minus 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 2. So b is equal to 1, and the value of c, that is equal to, you take z is equal to 2. So 7 into 2, 14 minus 2, 12. And in denominator we have 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. So 12 divided by 6. So that's why the value of c, that is 2. Okay. So the value of a, that is minus 3. So that's why f of z I can write minus 3 upon z plus 1, okay, plus 1 upon z and plus 2 upon z minus 2. Now I want to find out Lorentz series in the terms of z plus 1. Okay, so the first term is as it is because minus 3 upon z plus 1. You don't need to simplify this term, minus 3 upon z plus 1 as it is. Okay, so just write down here z plus 1. Instead of z plus 1, can I write z plus 1 minus 1, correct? And here also plus 2 upon z plus 1, you can take minus 3, right? And because of 1 less than mod z plus 1, so can I write mod 1 upon z plus 1 less than 1, and also you can write mod z plus 1 by 3 less than 1. Okay, so now I want to use this two equation, 1 upon z plus mod 1 upon z plus 1 less than 1 and mod z plus 1 by 3 less than 1. So z plus 1 can be common here, so I can write minus 3. Let's write on the next page so you can easily understand. So f of z, that is equal to minus 3 upon z plus 1 plus 1 upon z plus 1, 1 upon z plus 1 minus 1, okay, 1 upon z plus 1 minus 1 and plus 1 upon here z plus 1 minus 3, okay. So z plus 1 minus 3. So this first term is as it is, minus 3 upon z plus 1. Now here 1 upon z plus 1 I want to write outside the bracket. So here now you have 1 minus 1 upon z plus 1, okay, and plus 1 upon 1 by 3 common. Here z plus 1 by 3 minus 1, but I want to write 1 minus z plus 1 by 3. So instead of plus I have to write minus, right? So and both the terms, see, 1 upon mod 1 upon z plus 1 and mod z plus 1 by 3, the modulus value of both this term have less than 1. So now you can express in this form minus 3 upon z plus 1 as it is plus 1 upon z plus 1, okay, and here 1 plus 1 upon z plus 1 plus 1 upon z plus 1 whole square and so on, and the last term you can write minus 1 by 3, okay, 1 plus z plus 1 by 3 plus z plus 1 by 3 whole square and so on, okay. So you can easily express the Lorentz series for the region 1 less than mod z plus 1 less than 3 in this example. Now the next example, expand f of z, that is equal to 1 upon z plus 1 into z plus 4, valid for the region. Regions are already given. First region is mod z less than 2. So you can easily understand that first of all 0 is a center, right? Okay, I want to express in, okay, I want to express the Lorentz series in this region. First of all mod z less than 2. After that 2 less than mod z less than 4. Okay, so approximately this is my center 0 0. So this is 0 center with radius 2. Then this is radius 4. Okay, the second circle with radius 4 and center 0 0. The first region is inside portion of this small circle. The second region is annular portion, right? So concentric circle between these two circles, and the third portion is outside from the bigger circle. Okay, now first of all you have to express f of z in the form of addition form. So a upon z plus 2 plus b upon z plus 4. So what is the value of a? The value of a, take minus 2 here, so minus 2 plus 4, so 1 by 2, a is 1 by 2, and the value of b, you can say that minus 4 plus 2, so this is b, the value of b, that is minus 1 by 2, okay. So the value of a, that is 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 2, and here minus 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 4, Now I want to find the Taylor series for the region mod z less than 2. So we can say that mod z by 2 less than 1. Okay, and because of mod z by 2 less than 1, I can say mod z by 4 less than 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 less than 1. So now I want to use this two term, mod z by 2 less than 1 and mod z by 4 less than 1. How? Let's see. Because of f of z, now f of z, that is equal to 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 4. Okay, so 2 will be common, so 1 by 4. Here we have 1 upon 1 plus I can write z by 2. Okay, and here also 4 will be common, so minus 1 by 8, 1 upon 1 plus, okay, z by 4, right? And both the modulus value of these two terms, z by 2 and z by 4, less than 1. So I can write 1 by 4, 1 minus z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square, okay, and so on. And for this term, minus 1 by 8, 1 minus z by 4 plus z by 4 whole square, and so on. Okay, now find out for the second region. What is my second region? Second region, that is 2 less than mod z less than 4. Okay, so I can write mod 2 by z less than 1 and mod z by 4 less than 1. Okay, and what is my f of z? F of z, that is 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 4. Okay, so first of all, z will be common from this first term, so 1 upon 2z, 1 upon 1 plus 2 by z, okay, and here minus 1 by 8, 1 upon 1 plus z by 4. Now modulus value of this two term, mod 2 by z and mod z by 4, both have less than 1, so I can write 1 upon 2z, 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square, okay, and so on. And here minus 1 by 8, 1 minus z by 4 plus z by 4 whole square, and so on. Okay, and the last region, that is mod z greater than 4. Okay, so basically that can be written as 4 less than mod z less than infinite. So I can write mod 4 by z less than 1, and also you can write mod 2 by z less than 1 by 2 less than 1. Now what is f of z? The value of f of z, that is 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 upon z plus 4. Now from both the term you can take common as a z. So 1 by 2z, here we have 1 upon 1 plus 2 by z, okay, and minus 1 by 2z, 1 upon 1 plus 4 by z, right? And the modulus value of both the term, mod 2 by z and mod 4 by z, both have less than 1. So that's why I can write 1 upon 2z, 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square, and so on, minus 1 upon 2z, 1 minus 4 by z plus 4 by z whole square, and so on. Okay, so you can see that in this example we have three regions. The first series we find for Taylor series, and the second and third series we find for Lorentz series. So the example of Lorentz series, we solve so many examples from last 2-3 lectures. So now I hope you can understand and you can easily solve all these examples. Very important example. So up to this, thank you.